Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Remitly login not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Next, make sure you're entering the correct email and password. Double check that caps lock is off, and if you've forgotten your password, use the reset password option to create a new one. If you're using the app, try closing it completely by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Close it completely, wait for a few while, and reopen it again. You can also use a clear photo or You can also clear the app cache from your phone settings on Android. If you're using a browser, clear the browser cache and cookies, or try a different browser. Then restart the device and try logging in again. In most cases, the browser cache and cookies try a different method. Restart the device and try logging in again. In most cases, this steps fix the problem. And that's how you fix the Remitly login not working.